If I had known these things before I started trying to lose weight, I would have saved years, literally years of trying to lose weight. You guys know that I tried lots of approaches and I didn't lose weight for a really long time. Hey guys, it's Liesl Jane. Today I really just wanted to give you a video where I just talk about the three biggest things that I wish that I'd known before I started my weight loss journey. It was a long journey. You guys know it was a long journey. Woo! Hopefully if you're getting started on your weight loss journey, these can help you and they can just give you a little bit of a head start so you don't have to go through what I went through. The first thing that I wish that I had known before I started my weight loss journey was that calories matter. But before you think you have to count every single calorie, you don't have to count every single calorie. Now, how does that work? It took me years to realize that I actually needed to take calories into consideration. I was like, I ain't counting calories for a really long time. And then when I finally realized that I needed to take, I finally tried it after years and I started to lose weight really quickly. I was like, okay, I need to be mindful of my calories. But then I felt like I was going crazy because I'd been counting every single calorie and I was like, that's terrible. So I just want to say, you don't have to count every single calorie. I have a much simpler way of doing this. I actually came up with this thing that I call the point system, Liesl Jane's point system. I made a whole video about it recently, so I will link that video below if you guys haven't seen it. Go check it out. It's basically just like rounding off your calories, and I just realized that a rough estimation is all you need. So if I was like gonna eat 1,400 calories a day or 1,600 calories a day or 1,200 calories a day, all I had to do was eat roughly that and not exactly that. I needed to be mindful of calories. They matter when you're trying to lose weight, but I didn't need to count every single calorie, because that's awful. I'll link that video below. Go check it out. Save my life. The second thing that I wish that I'd known before I started my weight loss journey was that I needed to be eating a little bit more protein. Okay, yeah, I never thought that I would say that. Over my weight loss journey, I have realized that you need to be eating all of the main food groups: healthy carbs, healthy whole carbs, healthy fats, and good protein. But I've just come to realize that I do need to be eating a little bit more protein. Balancing it all out, but just making sure I'm getting enough protein. So they say as a guideline that women should be eating 0.8 grams of protein for every kilogram on their body, of their body weight. If you take like kilograms or pounds, and then I'll put the conversions for pounds and all that on the screen. If you can figure out 0.8 grams of protein for every kilogram on your body, and you just try to make sure that you're getting roughly that amount of protein at least with your whole carbs and your healthy fats, because those are really important as well. I'm not saying don't eat carbs, eat healthy fats. A balanced diet, but making sure that you're getting enough protein for your body size and your body weight. Wish that I'd known that before I started my weight loss journey, but now I know anyway, so I can tell you guys. You don't want to lose muscle while you are losing fat. You don't really want to be doing that. You kind of want to keep your muscle, so you want to eat enough protein to make sure that you're keeping some lean muscle on your body. That doesn't mean you have to be bulky, but it's just going to be healthier. You're going to be less likely to lose muscle. You're going to be more likely to lose fat. The third and final thing that I wish that I'd known before I started my weight loss journey is that it's not just about exercising. You kind of want to be doing the right kind of exercising to lose weight. After trying a lot of different exercise approaches and spending a lot of hours in the gym and on the road running and just doing a lot of cardio and endurance training, and after doing a lot of research, I found that doing high intensity interval training and strength training was the best thing for me to get the results that I wanted. And there's a lot of people who find the same thing. So basically, high intensity interval training, HIIT, as you may know it, HIIT, great for burning fat and boosting the metabolism and just like, you know, doing a good workout in a short amount of time. I will link my 16-minute HIIT workout below. I did a video on that, and that is my go-to workout. That is probably my favorite workout ever, and I've been doing it for years and it helped me so much. And then the other thing is strength training, so important as well. It goes great with the protein thing, and if you want to build a little bit of lean muscle, not to be bulky, but just have a little, be toned and defined. And it's so good for you. It's so good to just be strong. You know, you don't have to be bulky, but just be strong and do a bit of strength training, get toned, get firm. That's going to help you with the strength training. I will link my fitness routine that I used to lose weight below, so you guys can go check that out. But yeah, that's really what helped me. Doing the right kind of exercise, not spending hours in the gym, wasting your time and not seeing results like I did for a long time. Just, you know, doing some HIIT, doing some strength training. So that is it. Those are the 3 things that I really wish that someone had told me. Well, I'm sure people did try to tell me, but I was too busy focused on doing fad diets and things that didn't help me. I will link all of those videos that I talked about below. I do just want to say bonus tip for you guys that it wasn't included in these top 3 things. It's an obvious one, so I didn't include it, but drink lots of water. Trust me on that. Everyone says it, but just do it. Drink lots of water. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. I highly recommend it. I will also link a video below where I explain to you guys how you can figure out how many calories you need in a day to lose weight. Yeah, anyway, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it can be helpful to you if you're just getting started with losing weight, or if you've struggled to lose weight, if you can just take these 3 things plus the water thing, bonus tip, and just sort of start to do those things. I think that it can help you a lot. Everyone's different, so you need to find what works for you, but I really hope that that can be helpful to you.